What's up, guys? My name is Lifeless. Joining me is Reckless.
What up, people?
On behalf of Warning Bears, he provided us this clip of 101 kills on Hardpoint in Nuketown and Call of Duty Black Ops 3. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
Yeah, so as you can see from the footage, my boy Warnings is rocking that, haymaker, the bullshit gun, freaking, running that rapid fire, long barrel, freaking
extended mags, wasn't it? Yeah, extended mags,
bro. You want to get any more sweaty, man? I can hear the sweat drops from your cheek, bro. But anyway, as you can see, we're playing a game of Hardpoint, and basically, if you don't know Hardpoint, all you need to do is just capture the Hardpoint, hold it as long as you can. The more longer your team holds it, the more points you get. Pretty simple. So get back to Lifeless.
See, the start here wasn't that good of a start. Obviously, they're losing because everybody's on the middle point. Everybody's like, throwing grenades, the concussions, everything.
The usual bullshit.
Yeah, the usual stuff. But it's going to pick up here soon.
Yeah.
As you can see, Warning Bears here is hunting down these little nooblets.
As you can see,
that amazing gun.
Let's talk about Nuketown here for a second. Did you see that bullshit spawn though? Did you see that? I mean, I don't know who decided to make spawns in this game, but I truly hate Nuketown.
I don't know what he was on about, but Nuketown is beautiful.
I hate it with a passion. Like, look at that. What is that? Writing on walls, what is that? Nobody likes that. I don't know who just... But anyway, getting off topic here, as you can see, he's calling his streets. Oh, he got a beautiful double. Did you see
Somebody stole
the bullshit. But yeah, checking out his Facebook right now.
It's his Twitter account.
Seeing what's going on. Just checking the window.
Instagram, what's up?
Your boy.
Ooh,
hey, that's a shout out for Optic right there, man. If you want to join Optics. But anyway, so your boy here,
he's rocking that score streak, that low score streak.
As you can see, the score streak.
Even though he's streaking the whole time, it's amazing. Man.
That's how sweaty people do it.
Yeah, I know, right?
Do you like the
UAV counter and lightning strike? I thought it was Wraith in the first place.
I thought it was a Wraith too, but this boy likes to get all gun kills. He's all about the gun kills.
All about the gun kills.
As you can see, I don't know what's going on in this house, but everyone decides to come. It's like a barbecue. I don't know what's going on.
Barbecue feast. Everybody's invited.
Exactly.
That KFC, the barbecue chicken is right there.
I think. As you can see, man, see that? If the spawns are correct in this map, he would have not died.
What are you on about? It was in the middle. It was literally in the middle of the map.
No, the guy spawned there. I saw him myself. But anyway,
the guy spawned there.
Okay. As you can see, he's picking up a few people here right now. Not doing too bad,
What do you think his strategy around this area is?
I think his strategy is just, go to the enemy spawn trap.
Just run in there. Just fuck it.
Just look at that. That's amazing. Now, if that was me playing, I would have died like 100 times.
100 times.
But, hey. Anyway, so, as you can see, he's trying to get back to the enemy spawn, and he gets killed again by the bullshit spawn. Just love this Nuketown. Please leave a comment on your thoughts on this new Nuketown. Is it better than the other two Nuketowns that's come out?
Yeah, which one is the better Nuketown? In my opinion, I think Black Ops 2 had the best Nuketown.
Yeah, I think Black Ops 2 had the best in everything, the best score streak. Speaking of score streaks, my God, have y'all tried the new, what's that ugly ass, the Predator drone? What's it called? The
Dart.
The Dart.
Yes.
It's what amazing. Happened to the killer freaking drone? That was the best thing from Black Ops 2, but now I have to control it and shit.
Bro, it shoots missiles, man. You don't need
it's so bad. It's basically shooting airsoft rounds.
Airsoft rounds. Yo, I've been streaking the whole time, and I dropped that immediately 5 kill streak.
Immediate. Alright, let's see this guy. So we have a Mark and J over here. Shout out to Mark and J.
Destroyed.
Yeah, make sure to follow him too, but follow us. But anyway, back onto our topic. As you can see, we're trying to capture the hard point, and he gets killed. I don't know what his team is doing. This guy.
4 people in that spawn.
Look. Oh,
look at that.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. But anyway.
Headshot galore.
Yeah. So we're here with the teammates, just chilling. Check. Oh, look at that. This is, Nuketown for you. Can't even get out of the map. Oh, I think that's...
Ooh, that gravity spike almost killed them.
Bro, I don't know who is. He ain't got love. Yeah.
Shout out to John Williams, whoever that is. It's my boy.
Shout out to John Williams, man. As you can see now, I don't know what that guy's trying to do in our spawn, but as you can see, he's trying his hardest to get the hard point, and he got it. Now it's making his way back.
It was just rocking. I think it was just wanting to get points.
Yeah, I think so.
Up again because it's kind of dry right now.
As you can see,
using Vision Pulse.
putting that Vision Pulse to work. Oh,
Oh,
Flacco put him in
yes.
dirt.
Oh,
You know that
slide.
GTA slide. Shout out to GTA.
Pressing the X square and then
Oh.
circle. Oh, wow.
Wow.
How'd you die from that?
The
That
enemy
was ridiculous.
like Nicholas.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
You know, I hate this car, man. Every time I try to get past, I always get shot
It
by
feels
some
like the car
glitchy
gets
dude.
smaller and
It
smaller.
gets smaller.
Yeah.
And the thing is, it always blows up when I'm trying to get past.
Destruction. Look at
The
that.
destruction is map's like Battlefield needs to step up its game, man. So now he's in the bad enemy spawns. Oh,
Ooh.
getting that.
It's probably
You
If
know.
doesn't get this kill is a scrum.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, he got
it. Look at that.
He's got scrum.
Do you see the range
Look
in
at
that
that.
shotgun? Do you see the range? My goodness,
My days.
that's amazing. Like,
Oh, dude.
I don't know what that guy's looking at, but he needs a map.
With sunglasses. I don't know what he's
I think
looking at.
Google needs to,
Hook him up, yeah. Oh, look at that.
I don't know where. Again, another person who needs
The ugliest
Wow,
car.
look at this. Look at his speed right here. This is like
How'd you
phase one right here.
Phase one.
If I didn't know better.
Hook him up, phase one, please. Oh,
Shout out.
someone's in the corner. Like,
Okay, alright.
how the hell did
Some
people...
nice speed here.
Literally, the
Yeah.
only one in his spawn.
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
the enemy
The
spawn.
enemy
that-
spawn. Oh,
the teammates
look
are-
at that. He's still going strong in here.
Teammates non-existent here.
And there goes that bullshit flip spawn again. Checking out his Facebook right here. Seeing how much followers he got so far.
Probably had none. Oh,
Shout out to one. I don't know what that guy is shooting at, but I think it's bottom.
We need some good streaks here. Someone needs to drop some haters, some raps, something.
Has anybody noticed the amount of UAVs that's been up this whole game? I think it's young. Oh wow.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure this got smoked up by Astro. Did you hear that sound warning right there?
Astro hooked him
Shout
up.
out to Astro.
He hooked him up with that beautiful fucking
A40s. Alright.
gangbang.
Again.
That was a gangbang right there.
I don't
Savage.
know. That was like a mech gangbang right
Look at that
there.
line up on your teammates where they're just a line. They're taking out one by one.
Shake
back to the
it like a salt shaker. Did y'all? That's like the new Harlem Shake, man.
Turn back to the,
Amazing.
oh, somebody's rocking a Ripper.
That,
It's a beautiful streak. Overpowered as fuck. Needs to nerf.
I think a lot of things need a nerf. Actually, a lot of things need a buff in this game. For example, the shotguns. Like this.
Really?
I
that
think-
needs a nerf. Can you
I
see the
think-
gameplay?
Bro, I think it all depends on the kind of connections that you have. Sometimes
Since
you can
depends
never,
on your connection.
yeah.
Oh, melee failed. Melees don't work in this game. And gets Google to
Speaking
the
of melees, what happened to the melees, man? Who the hell, like, you like slapping dudes around here, man? Where my goddamn money at? I don't know who decided these new melee system, but I don't like it at all. I don't like it.
That's good positioning right
And,
there.
he's not camping or anything. He's, he's just strategizing his next move.
Oh, fired like 50 shots on that wall.
If he would have had FMJ, he
I
could have
thought
gotten
so.
an amazing. Oh, just picking up the enemies like it's nothing. Get him that 10-piece nugget. 10-piece. Oh, trip. Checking his Facebook again. It's all about Facebook. Have you noticed this guy?
He's always checking his Facebook in the middle of the
In the
game.
middle of the game. Do you know that's how good he is, man? I think that's calls for a sponsor, but
Oh.
He's still alive.
that's
Such a long. Oh, and of course, if that guy didn't spawn again. Speaking of spawns,
Bro, it's like 2 steps and you're in the enemy spawn. What are you on about?
yes, bro. Did you see that punch though? That was amazing.
Oh, you got melee? No, I didn't.
How there you got meleeed. Yes,
Capturing. Come on, man. Oh, death. You still got that kill.
I think Nuketown just needs to be removed from the Call of Duty history. It's like the worst map. I don't know. It was cool in the
Okay.
first Call of Duty Black Ops 1, but now it's getting corny. But yeah, man.
It's gonna be every single one, man. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's like the Soleil.
That's amazing.
Oh, my
man.
God.
But please.
Apparently, you were talking to Warning Bears the whole time while he
yeah.
was playing this game. And he said you were going off in a tandem with that Nuketown
Bro.
map. What happened there? Why are you still going off?
The reason why I was going off is because it's so much bullshit now. If I was playing Reckless right now, I would have died like 1,000 times. There's been so many bullshit. But it was amazing seeing how good he was actually doing. It was amazing seeing somebody else play.
Without camping,
Without
using
camping.
those bullshit
Look at the
Sheepers,
rush. Look at the rush. This is how you meant to play Call of Duty. Fast paced. No camping.
Hit
Shotguns.
fire all day with the
Hit
shotgun.
fire. That's like godly accuracy right there. It's amazing,
Of
man.
course. Because there's no like 50 pellets coming your way in a second.
You can never miss, man.
Look at this. Oh, air fight. Asian win. obviously.
So please leave a comment about the new specialist abilities. I don't know. I don't really like them, man. They don't really for me. How do you feel about them, Lifeless?
Oh, yo, Gravity Spike is my life.
Oh, I think my favorite would have to be the Ripper. I think he's amazing. I think it's too much people underestimate it. You can like go on a huge streak when you get that Ripper.
It's like Commando Pro.
It's
exactly.
Commando. If y'all remember the old days of Modern Warfare 2 Commando, that was some good times, man. But yeah, I don't really find these specialists amazing. But that's me, man. So leave a comment on how y'all feel about the new specialist streaks.
Look at this nonsense. What is this? He's like getting kills and then dying, but he still got 100 kills. That's like the massive difference in skill, I guess.
I don't think it's a huge skill gap. You know, these days there's not that much skillful players. I can say, but yeah, it's just a beautiful game. Just Russian. It's the Russian that is finest.
Not really captures, is it?
I don't think really he was going for objective for this game. I think he was just going for kills. I think it's just pretty good. He's doing pretty amazing, man.
I don't rock night vision. Vision pulse.
I think it needs a nerf. It's like basically like the hater.
Yeah, but if you're the enemy
personal
team and you can see the vision pulse, you can see them where they vision pulse. Like
I think the counter to that is that once you activate the vision pulse, somebody can see where you're coming from. Because I think
you can't really rush them because
it's
look at that nonsense.
It's basically OP. And this guy, has anybody noticed this guy? Whenever he walks in a room, everyone dies. It's like a plague, man. Everyone just dies.
That's that cancer sweeps the room and then
like
man, almost got that another lightning strike there.
And that's I think he's the only one dropping streaks.
They were losing the whole time. I didn't even realize that they were losing.
Actually,
points.
yeah, that's actually not. He's just catching up. And they overtake him. That's amazing. You see
wow, 4 people in that one area. If somebody just literally lightning struck that area, it would have been beautiful.
But you know, the streaks in this game is pretty
ran
much...
through a termite.
Look at that. Somebody should call like some...
Some chicken nuggets. Oh, death campers, obviously. There's always campers in this game.
I just every time I look at Deep Town...
Oh, he's hunting him down. He's hunting him down. He sees him.
He's on the run.
Death.
Oh, I thought... Oh!
Where you going?
Yeah.
Sit down. Stop camping. Play the game.
So this is shout out to all the haters, man. All those campers, man.
Oh, death. Look at that. That was a jump shot?
I think that was a jump shot, actually.
Oh, hard point. Kingslayer. That was the king?
See the vision pulse? Look how overpowered it is.
Yeah, but you can see them. Oh.
And, yeah.
Clips. That was it.
That was it,
90
guys.
kills.
See, the reason why that happened is that, we had technical issues with the editing software, but it was actually the game ended with 102 kills. But I actually was 101, but, not exaggerating. It was 101 kills. But, yeah, it was amazing.
Even though 99 kills, still pretty impressive. At the end of the day, if you don't see that every day you get 99 kills on Hardpoint in Nuketown.